Question 1. What is the difference between Judo and other scripting languages? What is the compelling hook over others? Answer. Judo is a potent programming and Java scripting language. What differs it from others is Judo has many built-in language constructs for popular application areas, making their uses intuitive, natural and elegant. With such a 3GL/4GL language design, Judo puts extraordinary emphasis on ease of use as well as ease of program. Take Python, a perfect example of traditional programming languages, especially so-called scripting languages. It employs a small set of core language syntax and constructs, including a library mechanism that allows users to extend functionalities of the language. A library is a collection of APIs that application software are built upon to ensure maximum reusability and applicability. APIs are generally low-level and detailed relative to the problem you are trying to solve, such as the 3GL approach. If 4GL is a new term to you, think about Unix shells. Unix shells are legitimate programming languages and have special commands that pertain to topics common to all Unix system users, such as file system manipulation, process control, system configuration, etc. For instance, you use cp command to copy files instead of coding a job control language with APIs to do the same. Judo is the first and only Java-based scripting language that does all the above but extends its reach into many of today's popular application fields such as JDBC scripting, XML scripting, HTML scraping, COM scripting, internet scripting, GUI scripting, etc. This is the compelling hook over most other scripting languages. Question 2. How does Judo compare to J/Python? Answer. Judo, Bean Shell, Rhino, Judo and other Java-based scripting languages are all general-purpose programming languages and are capable of scripting Java, despite their syntax differences. On top of that, Judo also provides many application-level scripting features at the language level, so Judo supports object-level, OS-level, and application-level scripting. Question 3. What is the licensing term of Judo? Answer. LGPL. You are essentially free to do anything with the software and its source code. Question 4. When not to use Judo? Answer. Scripting languages are great for doing things quickly or tasks that are simple, straightforward and take frequently updates. Scripting languages are not designed for building big software. That is the job of system languages such as C, C++ or Java. If a big software project is coded in a scripting language, you can pretty much assume it is still in prototype stage. Why? Because system languages have mechanisms that enable compilers enforce stringent rules so as to prevent many potential problems. Compilers can also optimize the final product to gain more performance. Judo, being a pure scripting language, is no exception to this rule. Question 5. Why the name Judo? Answer. Better names are already taken. The name is chosen because A. It sounds okay and B. It starts with J. Question 6. What are Judo's shortcomings? Answer. Judo is totally based on Sans Java. Java implements the common denominator of all supported platforms and is not great to deal with popular platform features such as chmod on Unix. Judo tries hard to provide features on popular platforms by working around Java's problems. For instance, chmod and chown are implemented for Unix platforms, environment variables are handled, etc. But there must be situations where platform native code through JNI is needed. The classic example is COM scripting. This does not necessarily break the 100% pure Java-ness of Judo because such features are declared to be optional. By the way, Judo never bothered to pass the 100% pure Java test. Question 7. What about Judo's performance? Answer. Judo's performance is surprisingly good, most probably thanks to the JVM/JIT compilers. The startup is not that fast on Windows 2000 and slower Linux machines. Small to medium-sized scripts take 2 to 4 seconds to begin executing. Question 8. Can you list some facts about Judo? Answer. Designed ground up just for Java, pure Java, open source freeware under LGPL, can be used for commercial or any purposes, is a 3GL and a 4GL, hybrid procedural and object-oriented language. Basic data types include integer, floating point number, date/time and string, each with large number of operations. Methods, advanced data structures, array and linked list, flexible sorting and filtering, struct and an ordered map, flexible sorting and filtering, stack and queue, tree, table data, in-memory relational database features support advanced programming techniques, user-defined classes and inheritance, exception handling and resume statement, thread programming similar to functions. User-defined functions can take variable number of parameters, and parameters can have default values, function variables and lambda functions. Dynamic evaluation of code and files, flexible iterations of arrays and linked lists, Java-like statements and expressions, syntactic sugar including various comments formats for Unix sort or run and code disabling, seamless uses of Java classes, objects and arrays. Java collection classes share same syntax as Judo container data structures. Java static methods can be aliased to become Judo functions. Explicit JNDI support to facilitate RMI and EJB scripting is extensible by Java classes or by Judo libraries or a mixture of both. Library code can be moved from Judo into Java later without C hanging the interface. All existing Java software tool packages, commercial or free, can be used directly in Judo. Sophisticated JDBC scripting and database manipulation features. Many built-in application features, some with special syntax, hence 4GL. Others are system functions. An incomplete list includes JDBC scripting, XML scripting, HTML/SGML scraping, Microsoft COM scripting, HTTP/HTTPS client and server, schedule jobs with HTTP monitors, flexible file copying and archiving between file systems, jar, zip and tar files, consistent I/O model for local files, files within jar/zip/tar archives, zipped files, internet resources and string data sources, FTP, SSH, SCP, networking services, Windows registry editing, Unix syslog, encryption, sent mail, versatile executable running, Java GUI creation, text and data processing features, embeddable by Java software, either by Bean scripting framework or via its own engine, is interpreted. Pre-compilation is planned. Rich documentation for reference, tutorials and examples. Question 9. Why you created Judo? Answer: to use Java for everything, not just programming, specifically to scripting Java, to scripting many tasks extremely easily, and to do these within an easy and powerful programming environment. Question 10. Is Judo embeddable in Java software? Answer: yes, in one of the two ways, its Engine API and its PSF support.